Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing Halloween costumes of 2020 from celebrities, like people who actually have budget. People who actually have budget to spend money to be someone else. We ain't even got some of us ain't even got money to be ourselves, but
I need loyalty, loyalty, loyalty.
it's celebrity tea, so I'm just gonna be rating them, because I don't know, I feel like it's fun. First one I saw was Sierra with his son, little future. Look at this. So I feel like she did three looks. This and with me with okay, I'm gonna post them on the screen so you can see this one. She did Cardi B invasion of privacy. Execution perfect. I mean, you can't even see at first when I saw the post, I thought it was Cardi. I was like, what? Okay, why is Cardi posting this? Is it the anniversary of the album or something? But it was Sierra, so great. And the picture with Lil Future, also cute. Cardi B and I said, if I have to rate it, it's gonna be like a an 8. Okay, so it's still good with Sierra. And then she went on and she did Meg the Stallion. So that was a 7 for me because it's a pretty it's an easy look to do. But girl, when she started twerking though, it's a must that I hate. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she gotta live. But she gotta live. Hot girl summer, so you know she gotta live. No, she gotta live. Hot girl summer, so you know she gotta live. Handle me? Who gon' handle me? Thinking he's a player, he's a member on the team. He put in all that work, he wanna be the MVP. I told him ain't no taming me. I love my niggas equally. Hey. My sis invented the knees. When she started twerking, it was I'm gonna give you a 10. But then, I'm gonna give you a 10. But the look that killed me, yo, the Nicki Minaj. So you mean to tell me, and I'm speaking as as of right now, making this video, I still haven't seen her posted anything else. You mean to tell me you did Nicki Minaj with no bot? The bot is Nicki. Nicki is the bot. How can you do a Nicki Minaj without the bot? I was like, what is going on? You just slayed Cardi. You slayed the Meg Thee Stallion. You showed us your knees and you're gonna do this. No. So I'm gonna just put them together. It's an 8 for the Cardi, a 10 for the Meg, and a 4 for the Nick, because she ain't got no bot. An 8 and a 10. That's 18, that's 22. I'm gonna the average is gonna be
I've got it. So according to my calculations,
that's a 7.3. Just because you ruined it with that Nick look. Nick in the bot. Anyway, so the next one is, yeah, we have Mistina Lawson. Oh my god, she's dressed up as Morticia, guys. She looks like she's dead. This picture, she looks terrifying. And I think that was the idea. So I'm gonna give her a 7.5, because and then Lizzo. I mean, creativity, originality, you gonna get a 10. Because she must just went as the fly on the men's hair. I don't remember seeing, so sorry, I'm not from the States. Great, but is it a Halloween, oh, I wanna be fancy and Halloween, I got the budget, blah blah. No. So it's I'm gonna give it a 5. I love you, Lizzo, but this one gave me a heart attack in the morning. Lil Nas. This boy went and killed. He killed that Nicki Minaj super bass video look. People are coming for him, but I'm it's Halloween. He killed it. The costume, the dress, and everything. This is a straight 10. I loved it. I love Lil Nas. This is a 10. Look at this. And he was it's so funny. Yes. he's a Nicki fan, but like he killed it. So Kendall Jenner, like what? I didn't even recognize her. They did everything. They did like the brows. They did them perfectly, like from that era. It's like she looks good in everything. Like she will dead ass look good in everything. And she was like, vote, like pushing it in your phone, like in your face, like go vote everyone. So, but then again, I mean, she looks good because of her looks, like, but like for the effort, for the costume, was it like wow? No, it was just like she looking good in a costume. Like, I'm gonna give her a 7. These people aren't, they're not impressing me. They're not. So, Cardi B. So yeah, my favorite Cardi, like, Cardi keeps showing people why she's there, why she's Cardi, why people like her, why. This, look at that, the slate edge. This one is the one I love the most. This is a 10. If I could give it a 20, I would have given it a 20. Because, like, she did everything. Like, this Medusa thing and her nails. Like, I just love it. I love the tail. I love the background, the red and the gold. I just love it. And Cardi keeps proving to us that she's the queen. She's the queen. Like, Cardi, it's a 10. And now we have, like, let me check. Kylie Jenner. Sis, I feel like this is out of my tax bracket. But sis, you're a billionaire. I mean, I feel like Kylie, she 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 dressed up as Power Ranger together with her friends. She looked good, of course. Kylie looks good in everything. Like you could she could wear a potato sack and look good. But I feel like it feels like a low effort thing. Probably wasn't really low effort, but the outcome is it looks like a low effort thing. It's like, it's nice and all. It's like a 7.5 for Kylie. Yeah, it's like a 7.5 because like you're Kylie and I expect so much from you. But I know it's like. And now we have like Saweetie. Like, I'm really starting to like this girl. She nailed this. Like, she nailed this. She was like, I'm gonna be Kelly. I'm gonna be Beyonce. But bitch, I can be Michelle too. This is perfect. And this video, I'll show this video of her dancing. The video where she's dancing.
Beyonce, can you handle this? I don't think they can handle this. Gotta do much better if you're gonna dance with me tonight. You gotta work your destiny if you're gonna dance with me tonight. Read my lips carefully if you like what you see. Move, groove, you can hang with me.
I love her. That's a 9. I give an like Saweetie. I just love Saweetie. I don't know if I'm doing like preference stuff, but like for Saweetie and Cardi, bitch, they did Halloween, like And the last one, Kim Kardashian. Like, I feel like just like Lizzo, this was like 100 points for creativity, but this is such an easy look. But maybe she did want to lay low. I mean, she has 4 kids. She needs to like get them all to dress up, so it's difficult. So this bitch just went as Carol Baskin, and like, how cool is that? Like originality, her and Lizzo originality. I'm gonna give them 100. But like, if I have to judge like the Halloween costume, how cool is it? It's just gonna be like 5. Her and all the tigers and stuff. So that's all. Quincy did like Frida Kahlo, and for people who don't know that, she's like a Mexican. She's Mexican. She's like a painter, and she's amazing. Like Quincy, he has unibrows just like her, and like he sees the opportunity. He looks very cool, and people were coming for him like, you're trying to tell us something. Are you gay? People, let the people live, okay? So, of course, the winner is Cardi B. So my favorite would be Cardi. In the top 10, I want to see someone top her. I didn't see it yet, so she's still top. And then comes Sweetie, and then all the other ones, because they were so done. I mean, no one blew me away like Cardi did. That's the thing. No one blew me away like Cardi did, so hurry. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll try to post every week. Bye.